Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can use the find on or in page feature on the Zen browser. For instance, if you'd like to look for a specific word on a website you're visiting on a Zen browser. So let us dive into this. So head over to the Zen browser, and what you want to do, guys, is click at these three dots in the top left. You will find this option here, find in page, or use the shortcut Ctrl F. Let me navigate to that example page here. And you will see, for instance, that field in the bottom left. So let us go with an example word, settings. And you will see the words that match the search here highlighted on the page. And that's how it works. You can go through these options, highlight all or match case, the whole words, and here the number of matches that have been detected by that feature. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.